Here we go. It is Sunday, April 5th, 2025 at 5:13 p.m. I am making this test to show you what the difference is. I mean, Veo was a great thing way back in the olden days of 4 months ago, but my goodness gracious, have they been eclipsed. What I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you a test that I did. Let's get into it right now.
Giant baby, run!
Okay, it's the giant baby test. So I'm going to compare SeeDance 2.0, which this is, and little spoiler, this was not SeeDance 2.0, this was SeeDance 2.0 Fast. So I'm going to show you SeeDance 2.0, 2.0 Fast, Veo 3.1, and Kling. Let's get into the Veo 3.0 videos and then let's go to Kling.
Giant baby, run!
Like, what is that? What is that? These were all the exact same prompt that I gave to SeeDance, that I gave to Veo, that I gave to Kling. And Veo, let's watch that again. I don't know, I'm sorry to torture you, but this is...
Giant baby, run!
Dude just pops out of nowhere. I don't know why the baby is like, what's this? They have an adult hand. There's just so much wrong with this frame. And it doesn't make sense. And cars, people are running towards the baby and getting run over and disappearing into a bus. All right, that's the first one. I made 4 Veo generations, and this is the first. Here's the second.
Giant baby!
Run!
I'm not even gonna bother replaying that one. Next.
Giant baby! Run! Giant baby! Run!
Those are what we got from Veo, and this is what's coming up with Kling.
Giant baby, run!
Not bad, right? All right, now I did 3 generations with Kling. That's the first. Here's the second one. And I made them all 8 seconds. Just Kling can do 15, SeeDance can do 15. I kept them shortened to 8 just to not make Veo look even worse.
Giant baby, run!
I mean, there's some problems with the physics of the giant baby throwing the bus, which the baby was just supposed to pick up the bus, but still pretty funny. I mean, this one's more of a comedic one. Like the baby, that expression is gold. That's awesome.
Giant baby, run!
Just like this guy. But it's like he's encouraging giant baby to run, like, run, like, go, get away from them, you know, like, be free. All right, enough of that. Let's go to the next one.
Giant baby, run!
That's pretty good. Interestingly enough, this guy, same guy, right? Like, watch that. It's this guy. They look similar. Not the exact same guy, but
Giant baby, run! Giant baby, run!
it looks similar enough. All right, those were the Klings. Now let's get to the SeeDance.
Giant baby, run!
That is, come on, I gotta see that again. That is just amazing.
Giant baby, run!
That expression at the end is great. Now let's get into the final, and that was 1, right? Kling, I did 3 generations just for fun. Kling got it right in the first generation. Veo still doesn't have it right, and I've done more than the 4 I've shown you. And then here's the 1 generation I did of SeeDance 2.0.
Giant baby, run!
Yep, check the gate. We're moving on. Game's over. Everyone, pack your bags, go home. This is done. Google Veo is cooked. Until Google I/O, which I'm hoping Google, please come out with 4.0. I really love what you've done, Google Veo. I really love what you've done in Flow with allowing batch upgrades, and your UI in Flow is so much better. It's great for Nano Banana. It's great for just the model itself. It is lagging. Look at this again.
Giant baby, run!
Like the little spittle coming out of the crushing of the car's awesome. That, like the spittle coming out of the baby's mouth during the roar and then grabbing like, this is great. There is nothing to complain about this generation at all. There's everything to complain about this generation, but that's where we are right now. So Google, please, I beg you, step up, do something awesome, blow SeeDance out of the water, because I know WAN 2.7 is also coming. So what if WAN looked at SeeDance 2.0 and said, oh, we've got this. Hold our beer, or hold our crepes, or hold our, I don't know, baguette, depending on what part of the world you're in, or whatever. All right, so that's it. I've shown you what I wanted to show you. I've said,
Giant baby, run!
what I've wanted to say. So let me know what you think. Do you think, I mean, I don't know why you would think Google Veo is better, but do you think that Google Veo is better than SeeDance, or is Kling better than SeeDance, or is SeeDance better than Kling? Let me know. Please comment below. Here's Kling again one more time. Here's this Kling, which is probably the better one.
Giant baby, run!
I mean, the car stepping is good. The bus throwing is the best, I think, in that one versus this one.
Baby, run!
Actually, I like the expression on this one. Like when the baby looks really mad, like really, really mad. Now, what's funny is that I'm still talking. That's what's funny. All right, I'm done. Enjoy the video. Hope you like it. If you made it this far, please like it and subscribe. That's it. I'm out.